Psychiatric disorders. Psychiatric disorders can be divided into organic and functional. Dementia is a mental disorder due to organic brain diseases. The commonest form of dementia is that associated with old age. Senile dementia. Disorders in which there is no obvious pathology or anatomical change in an organ are termed functional. These are described below. Substance abuse. Abuse of substance means using it in a way that harmful. The commonest forms of affective disorders. Here is an extract from medical textbook. Affect and more are similar in meaning and refer to the emotions, for example, happiness or sadness. Affect tends to be used for temporary emotions and is expressed through the manner of speaking, facial expression, or behavior. Mood is used to refer to a more permanent emotional state. The most common form of affective disorder is depression, the symptoms of which are poor appetite or significant weight loss, sleep disturbance, for example, insomnia, inability to sleep, fatigue, loss of energy, psychomotor agitation, excessive movement and thought, or psychomotor retardation, a slowing of movement and thought, loss of interest in stimulating activities, decreased ability to think and concentrate, feeling that one is of no value to others or that one has done something wrong, recurrent thought of death or suicide. 5. Of possibility 4 of the above symptoms occurring nearly every day for at least 2 weeks constitute a major depression. Neurotic and stress-related disorders. An example of neurotic disorder is obsessive compulsive disorder. An obsession is an idea that is so persistent that it interferes with the patient's life. Exercise chapters 25. 25.1. Complete a table with words from A, C, D, and E opposite. Adjective: affective, anxious, behavioral, dement, and disturbed, suicidal. Noun: affect, anxiety, behavior, dementia, disturbance, disturb, suicidal, suicidal. 25.2. Make word combinations using a word from each box. 2 words can be used twice. Look at B, C, and E opposite to help you. Behavior syndrome, eating disorder, major depression, mental retardation, personality disorder, psychomotor retardation, sleep disturbance, substance abuse. Complete the sentences. Look at A, C, D, and E opposite to help you. The way a person behaves is his or her behavior. 2. A persistent emotional state is a mood. 3. A sudden attack of anxiety is a panic attack. 4. The form of dementia associated with aging is called senile dementia. 5. A disorder which is not associated with pathological change is funnetrain. 6. An idea which forces a patient to repeat unnecessary action is a compulsion. Exercise 25.4. Which symptoms of depression was this patient suffering from? Look at C opposite to help you. Case 41. A 56-year-old woman present to her GP complaining of increasing tiredness over the past few months. She had lost interest in most teens. She was sleeping poorly and tended to wake up early, but denied any suicidal tendencies. She was thirsty and was passing urine, urine more often. She was eating normally and her weight was steady. The patient has tiredness, loss of interest, and insomnia. Chapters 25, Mental Illness.